Hello, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to do Maybe It's Time from A Star Is Born. So this is the one that Bradley Cooper sings, just him and his guitar. It's just one chord progression sung over and over again. It's nice and repetitive. So we're just going to do a piano version of what the guitar is doing. We're not going to do the vocal melody line, so just the instrumental accompaniment. The first chord then is going to be a G major chord. So that in the right hand is G, B and D. And in the left hand, I'm just going to play the fifth, which is G and B. And to try and imitate what the guitar is sort of semi-playing chords, semi-finger picking different notes, I've sort of picked out a pattern. So I've gone So what I was doing there, in the left hand, so we're going to go first G, D, and then right hand G, and then play B and D together. And then again, G, D, B, chord, D, G, chord. So the start of the song, it plays 2 bars of this. So 8 counts, and then it's straight into the vocals, and then the G is played for another 8 counts. So the next chord then is we're going to a C chord. So I'm going to play octaves in the bass, and then all I'm going to do in my right hand is play an inversion of C. So I'm going to keep my thumb on G and move my 3rd finger and my 5th finger to C and G. So this is C, 2nd inversion. And we're going to do the same pattern, so we're going to go octave C, so C, C, G, C and E, C, G, chord. And then it's back to the G position again. So we have for another 4 beats, and then back to the C position again. C, C, G, C and E, C, G, chord. And then we have this quick chord progression between a G, a D, E minor. You're going to play G once, and then D major inversion, which is F sharp, A and D, just because it's easier to get to D from the G chord to there instead of moving all the way up or all the way down. So we're just shifting the notes around. So we have G, D, and then E minor, which is E, G, B. So let's practice that quick progression again. So we're going G, D, E. So that E is held on for 2 beats, and then it goes to a D again for 2 beats, and then C for 2 beats, and then G for 4 beats. So the left hand is almost following this. So the left hand is descending in the same way. So it's going G, F sharp. So instead of playing a D in the bass with a D major in the right hand, we're going to play an F sharp instead. And then down to E. And then it goes back up to D, so this time with a D in the bass. C, and then G. So let's try playing that all together. We're going to go straight into when he starts singing. Let's have a go. So I'm going to count as I play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, So that's all there is to it for this piece. I've linked in the description below the full lyrics and chord structure and how many times the whole thing repeats as well. So I hope that's been useful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Bitesize Piano for lots more piano lessons and videos like these. So I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye bye!